Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you about things to do and places to visit in Calcutta. Once in Kolkata, you can visit the famous Yuva Bharati Kridangan or the Salt Lake Stadium. You can have a sumptuous breakfast, lunch or dinner in one of these two great 5 stars, the JW Marriott or the new ITC Royal Bengal. A morning walk on the Ganga Ghats is a must if you are in Calcutta. Welcome to the stadium of the National Club of India, Mohan Bagan. Once you are done with your morning walk in the Ganga Ghats, you can visit. This is the Grand Arcade, also known as the Shoppers Paradise of Calcutta. So this is a must-visit place if you're in Calcutta. You get everything here from branded to non-branded. This is New Market, the Foodies Paradise and the Shoppers Paradise. So if you're in Calcutta, this is a must place you should visit. Welcome to Nahom's Bakery. This is one of the oldest and one of the famous bakeries of Calcutta. So if you are there in Calcutta, this is a must visit place. Once done with shopping and food, you can visit the famous Victoria Memorial. This is one of the iconic places of Calcutta. The next place to visit should be the Birla Planetarium. We have programs in Hindi, English as well as in Bengali. The Birla Planetarium also offers shows about night sky, astronomy and astrophysics. Built in 1847, the St. Paul's Cathedral is one of the largest churches in Calcutta. Welcome to the Boipara of Calcutta, the College Street. No matter what genre book you're looking for, this is your place. Welcome to Indian Coffee House, one of the oldest cafes of Calcutta. You should visit this if you're in Calcutta.